It is today's class chapter number 9, quarter and halves. Quarter and half. So see, in this same chapter last period we learned about how to make the rectangular sheet into half by using different 5 ways. Same way we find out how to make the square sheet into quarter part by using different 5 ways. Now in today's class, see it is practice time. Dear students, please read this question. What part of each shape is colored here? You see, here some shapes are given here, and in each shape, some part are colored. Now, according to that color part, where we have to write here, write it below of each shape. Means we have to see this shape, and then we have to see how many parts are colored. And according to the color part, we have to write here fraction, means fraction for this color shape. So see, number A. Dear students, see this one is rectangular sheet. And now this rectangular sheet divided into how many equal parts? It is divided into 2 equal parts. So you have to write number 2 here in denominator. And out of these 2 parts, how many parts are colored here? Out of these 2 parts, how many parts are colored here? You see, only one part is colored here. Only one part is colored here. So we can say 1 by 2 means one part out of 2 equal parts color here. So here 1 by 2 is the fraction for this color part. Now number 2. See, this is also one rectangular sheet. It is divided into how many parts? 1, 2, 3, 4 parts. So we can write here 4. What we have to write here? 4. So we can write here 4. And out of these 4 parts, see how many parts are colored here? So only one part is colored here. So you can write here it is 1 by 4. It is 1 by 4. Now, number C. See, this is one circular shape. And now you see how many parts are there, beta? It is 1, 2, 3, 4 parts are there. How many parts are there? Total number of parts are there 4. These are 4 equal parts. And out of these 4 equal parts, see how many parts are colored here now? This one and these two parts are colored. So you can write here 2 by 4. 2 by 4. Next, see this is one more circular sheet, and now see how many parts are colored here. Total, what is total number of parts? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. What is total number of parts are there? Total 8 parts are there, and out of this total 8 parts, see this 1, this 2 and these 3 parts are colored here. So you can write here 3 by 8 as a fraction for color part. It is 3 by 8. Okay. 3 by 8 is the fraction for color part. Now, number E. See, what is this? It is one triangular shape. And in this triangular shape, how many parts are there, beta? It is divided into 2 parts. So it is 2, and out of these 2, this 1 is color here. So you can write here 1 by 2 for this color part. 1 by 2 for this color part. Now, come to shape number F. So this is one rectangular sheet. It how many parts are here, beta? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So it is total number of parts are 8. 8 parts are there, and out of these 8 parts, see 1, 2, 3, 4 parts are colored. So you can write here 4 by 8. This is the fraction for what? It is fraction for this color part. So dear students, the 4 by 8 means 8 में से 4. इसका मतलब ये है कि what is this 4? 4 is half of the 8, no? So you can write here in short form it is 1 by 2. Means this value 4 by 8 and it is 1 by 2, both are equal here. So indirectly we can say that the half part of this shape is colored. So 4 part out of 8 means half part of this shape is colored here. Now number G. See, it is one triangular shape. And it divided into how many parts? 1, 2, 3, 4 parts are there. Total 4 parts are there. And out of these 4 parts, 1, 2, 3 are colored. So you can write here 3 by 4. So what is 3 by 4? 3 by 4 is the fraction for color part. Now come to question 2. See, it is little different. Color the part of shape which is written below. Now in this question, shape is given here. And below the each shape, one fraction is there. According to that fraction, we have to read that fraction and then we have to color the part according to this given fraction. See, it is shape. Hexagon is there, beta. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides are there. It is hexagon shape. It is 1 by 2 is here. Means what we have to do, beta? if 1 by 2 is here, means in denominator 2 is there, so we have to make 2 equal part of this shape. We have to make the equal part with the number of denominator. The denominator is 2 there, so we have to make 2 equal part. So see, you can make 2 equal part this way और this way और this way. किसी एक तरीके से आप बेटा यहाँ पर 2 equal part बना सकते हैं. तो see, we will make the 2 equal part like this only. अभी हम इसे 2 equal part इस तरह कर लेते हैं. चलिए, इस तरह हमने यहाँ पर 2 equal part कर दिए बेटा. अभी now how many, see, denominator is 2, so we make the 2 equal part, and out of this 2 equal part, how many part we have to color here? Only 1 part we have to color here. We have to color this 1 part. Okay, this 1 part we have to color, so it is 1 by 2. Now here it is 3 by 4. So what is denominator here beta? Denominator is 4 here, so we have to make 4 equal part. We have to make here 4 equal part, and then out of this 4 we have to color any 3 parts. So see, this way this is 1 part color part, then it is 2 color part, and then it is 3 color part. So this way we can color here any 3 part. Okay, any 3 part. Now next, it is 1 by 4. It is what? 1 by 4. So how many parts you have to make here? हमें यहाँ पर कितने parts बनाने हैं बेटा? First of all, we have to make 4 parts here. Because number 4 is given in denominator, so we have to make 4 parts, and then out of these 4 parts, we have to color 1 is numerator. In numerator, so we have to color only 1 part. अब हमें यहाँ पर कोई एक part color करना है. So this is 1 by 4 fraction part of color part. Now see, it is 3 by 8, and it is rectangular shape. How many parts we have to make here? The number in denominator is 8, means we have to make it here 8 equal parts. So see, this is now see, it is 8 equal parts. Now out of 8 equal parts, what number is given in numerator? It is 3 there. So we have to color any 3 parts. So see, it is 1, 2, and this one is 3. 5 minutes color. हाँ, बोलिए तो 5 minutes class ले. So see, now what we have to do here? We have to color any 3 part here. Okay, any 3 part. So it is 3 by 8. Now next, it is 6 by 10. Here we have to make 6 parts. So 10 parts. See, this way you can make 10 parts. Now see, this is 10 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. In different way also you can make here. आप दूसरे तरीके से भी 10 part बना सकते हैं. So see, 10 part, and out of 10 part we have to color 6 part. See, it is 1 part, then 2, 3, 4, 5, and this one is 6. Okay. So this way we color here 6 part. Now it is 5 by 8. It is 5 by 8. To see, we have to make 8 part. This way we can make 8 part here, and out of 8 part we have to color here only 3 parts. Sorry, 5 part. It is 5 is here now, so 5 part we have to color. So you can color these 5 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, and this one is 5, and this one is 5. Okay. So this way here we have to make 5 equal parts. Now come to next questions. अगला क्वेश्चन देखिए. Here, find out. So see, 3 by 4 of a dozen. अब हमें डजन का 3 by 4 क्या होता है ये फाइंड आउट करना है, कितना होता है. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू शुड नो व्हाट इज मीन बाय डजन. सी, 1 dozen is equal to 12 pieces. Is equal to 12 pieces. Now we have to find out 3 by 4 of 12. So what you have to write here? It is 3 by 4 of 12. 12 का 3 by 4. It means 3 by 4 into 12 by 1. 12 by 1. Denominator is not here. So whenever denominator is not there, so we can take 1 as a denominator. Now see, this is one fraction, this is another fraction, and it is multiplication of these two fractions. And whenever you multiply two fractions, we have to multiply number of numerator, 3 into 12, and in denominator, number of denominator. Okay? Now see, now it is 3 into 12, means 12 into 3 कीजिए बेटा. 3 to the 6, 3 1 are 3, it is 36. And see, 4 1s are 4, it is 4. Now you divide here, 36 by 4. 36 by 4. Now see, 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20, 4 6s are 24, 4 7s are 28, 4 8s are 32, and 4 9s are 36. It is 36, so you can write here 9 pieces. What is this? The 3 by 4 of a dozen, it is 9. Now next, it is 1 by 4 of an hour. What is it? It is 1 by 4 of an hour. एक hour का 1 by 4 क्या होता है? What is 1 by 4 of an hour? So see, 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Is equal to 60 minutes. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So what is this? It is 1 by 4 of 60. Now see, 1 by 4 into 60 by 1. Into 60 by 1. It is 1 into 60. And it is 4 into 1. 60 ones are 60 and it is 4 ones are 4. 4 ones are 4. Now you divide here 60 by 4. 4 ones are 4. And now see, it is 4 minus 6 minus 4 is 2 and 0. And it is 4 by the 20. It is 15 minutes. What is this? It is 15 minutes. So see, 1 by 4 of an hour. 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. So 1 by 4 of 60. 1 by 4 into 60 by 4. 1 into 60. 4 into 1. So 1 into 60 60. 4 into 1 is 4. And 60 by 4 is 15 minutes. Okay. Next. It is 1 by 2 of 1 by 5 of kg. Of a kg. So see, it is 1 kg equal to beta 1000 grams. Equal to 1000 grams. Now what we have to do? We have to find out here 1 by 5 is 1/5 of thousands. So see, it is 1/5 of 1000. So it will be 1 by 5 into 1000 by 1. 1000 by 1. So see, it is 1 into 1000 and by it is 5 into 1. 5 into 1. So 1 into 1000 it is equal to 1000 and 5 into 1 is equal to 5. Now see here, you divide like this, it is 1000 by 5. 5 to the 10. 5 to the 10. And now again this 0, it is 5 zeros are 0. And now this 0, see, it is 5 zeros are 0. Like this. So it is 200. So what is 200? It is 200 grams. This is 200 grams is equal to 1 by 5 kg. Now next, 2 by 3 of a day. So dear students, there are, see, 1 whole day. 1 whole day equal to what? It is 24 hours. 1 whole day is equal to 24 hours. Now see, it is 2 by 3 of 24 hours. Of 24. Now it is 2 by 3 into 24 by 1. 24 by 1. See, 2 by 3 into 24 by 1. Now it is 2 into 24. And see, it is 3 into 1. 2 into 4 करके बेटा 42 into 2 कीजिए. 2 4s are 8. 2 2s are 4. It is 48. And 3 1s are 3. Now it is 48 by 3. Now we have to divide here. 48 by 3. 3 1s are 3. 4 minus 3 1 and is 8. 3 6s are 18. So what we have to do? It is 16. So what is this 16? 16 hours. 16 hours. So what is this 16? 16 hours is 2 by 3 of a day. So this way in today's class we discuss this much points here. Question. Thank you.